2009 BMW 320i M Sport, and it's in probably the best and most popular colour at the minute, space grey. This one is a category S from the insurance company, and it's got some damage around that side, but I'll show you the rest first. So no damage on the front or the top. It's got angel eyes on the front, which is nice. Front fogs, decent alloy wheels, and there is no damage or previous paint around this side at all. Inside it's nice and decent, in fact it's very clean. Front and rear electric windows, it's got Alcantara in it as well. And it's got climate control, handful of buttons, auto lights. It's got privacy glass in the back, and that is in decent condition. It's quite nice, the Alcantara kind of patterns as you touch it. And no damage around the back, nice and clean. A couple of little scuffs down here, but very light ones, they'll probably polish out. It's got parking sensors as well. And around this side it's had well, it's not a bump, it's slid down something. So it's damage here, and this was actually pushed in slightly, as you can see the rippled effect. But it's just been pulled out by a dent guy to make it nice and straight, this line here. And also, if I go over a bump, that wheel doesn't touch the inside of it. It's got a splash guard there, it might just catch it, so that was done. So this side has got that bit there, a bit on the top, so I don't know exactly what it's caught, but that needs to be repaired. And it's got some scratches and marks, and there's a little ding there. And in the front corner it's caught something here, which is, these wings are actually very soft, you can see it bend with my thumb, so that's very easy to actually damage. And that's it. So this side here needs to be repaired, there. But half of it's done already, because I'm lucky enough to find another space grey wing, so that will simply bolt on the front. So all it really needs is that, and a tidy there, and the very edge done, and it will be done. These typically retail for around £6,500 with this mileage. It's good spec, and it has got some BMW service history. I'm guessing this one will be around the 4,500 mark, and it would be a bargain at that price, and it drives nice as well too, and it makes someone a very decent car.